This is Maazi Ezeoke. Today is the 19th, is it? So, people, this is Maazi Ezeoke here on Enugu Onitsha Expressway heading to Enugu. I decided to use this road. I've been told the road is no good, but I decided to use it so that you guys could see with me. The road has been under construction, only God knows when, since when. Now this portion is bad, both sides, both the incoming and outgoing traffic side. This road is indeed bad. Okay, you can see we can only move as slow as we can because unless you want your car to be kaput. Now, if you look on my right, in 2017, I reported on the right. Sadly, since 2017, and we are in 2021, 4 years after I reported when they poured the laterite, that is the red sand that you can see on my right. Since then, there is nothing that has happened on my right. The left that is being used, again, since 2017-18, there isn't much that is happening here. Yet, we hear and we read and we see pictures that Enugu Onitsha Expressway is under construction and that it is almost done. I don't know what type of construction. I don't know how done it is. See the way we drive and when we are small, we call swings, we call them janglova. And when you drive on this road, you do nothing but janglova yourself all round. That is it. Maybe this is a mad cow. So it is indeed heartbreaking sometimes. Okay, look at the right. Let me show us the right. You can see that maybe for over 15 years, no car has ever driven on the right. Yeah. And here we are. I am heading to I think it's the Maazi, Maazi section. I'll see the police people there. I would stop because most times, because they collect money, they do not normally like it when you show their faces. So let me stop at this moment because here this is the Maazi and this is Enugu, Port Harcourt, and this is the Maazi section. The soldiers, as usual, they were just begging for money to be given, and you got to do what you got to do. I'll leave it at that. But sad, this is it. This is it. This is it. The road is too bad. This is it. So the Maazi, you can see that here. This is the boundary between Enugu and Anambra. And this is where I had proposed that if we want to move away from the mediocrity called government or governance that we have in the southeast, one of the things we should do is to have rail network. They said, yes, the railway is in the exclusive list, but we can do our own state light rail. You do Anambra, call it blue line. When you get to that point where the police people were, you build an interchange at the boundary. Enugu can be a yellow line. Enugu continues. Okay? So this is where the northerners get, most of these containers you see here and all these long trucks are cows. trucks, they bring cow. But one thing is very critical. You look at this floor, you see only polythene bags, that is plastic bags. And I keep wondering, can't we find a solution to this menace or the madness of polythene bags? And here, you know, if something is not done here, I foresee in the nearest future where this place will be like, what's it called again? The Apapa Wharf. Because so you can see, these are trucks that bring cow down to the south. And once, I don't know why they park, you know, along the road. And I keep thinking, can't they just go in and park? You know, can't we just give them a place to park? Must we or must they all park along the road? I don't know. You know, I drive around and I see a lot of issues where only serious governance can actually address them. Only serious governance can actually address them. Yeah? Now look at this place. This is the Enugu Onitsha Expressway. Maazi Ezeoke still driving. And this is today the 20th of January 2021. I don't know. Honestly, you know, I don't. Okay, look at it now. Look at this. Here you have the road is so bad that you now will go deep. When I go deep now, my car is as deep as in the, you know, the surface is as in the old surface, road surface. And this is it. The other lane is what the incoming traffic use. And this is unbelievable. Unbelievable. They tell us they built Enugu Onitsha Expressway. But this is it. How? How are they building it? Is this how they build it? This is pure madness. I can't believe these things are happening. That all we hear is that this Igbos should be this, the other one that they are building, but actually nothing has been done. Nothing has been done. And these are people here collecting money. I don't even know which people they are. Maybe they are waiting for trucks. I don't know. And you can see trucks here excavating. All they do excavate, we don't know. You know, they excavate sand for the road construction. This one is scrap metal. The road is here. Jesus Christ, this is unbelievable. I think what I will do, I'll come down here. I'll come down here, maybe. See what bad road can cause. This is somebody's wear on the road. I mean, honestly, I don't know what to say. I am short of words. See, I have to run away because this is big truck coming. I can't even compete on that road. Yeah? This is unbelievable. I mean, oh, wow. Enugu Onitsha Expressway. So the madness continues. The madness continues. You know, this one is, I believe Coca-Cola is broken down here. Right? You can't continue the one way. So you need to now navigate your way towards another section. This is the federal government highway. It's not a state road, it's not a regional road, it's the federal government highway. You drive on the right, you drive on the left, all you're navigating is just to navigate and get to a place that you can, I mean, you can't, honestly, you can't even do 60, you know, 60 kilometers per hour on this road. You can't even do 60. I mean, 60 is 45 miles per hour. for those of you in America and the United Kingdom that calculate. So that gives you an idea of what is happening. You know, it gives you an idea. That is the max speed you can use. Now tell me, with speed of 45 miles on your maximum on max, so not like now I'm doing about 20 miles per hour. So tell me, with 20 miles per hour, when I will get to Enugu. And again, everyone please, the only reason why I used this road is because many of you that have been demanding to know the update on Enugu Enugu Onitsha Expressway. That is the only reason. I mean, my car will basically be hating me now. My car will be wondering, Maazi, why did you take me into this mess? Because it's a total mess. It's a total mess. Enugu Onitsha Expressway. I am heading to Enugu, and hopefully I will get into the Enugu. I have an appointment at the Enugu airport, so I hope to get also an update on the Enugu airport as well. So, but this is really and really unbelievable. So after so many years of making noise that this road is being constructed, this is what we have. After so many, after so many years of making noise, people see, oh Jesus Christ, this is too deep. Oh, this is too deep. This is too deep. You know, that's, oh Jesus.
Waiting for Perry.
I'm sorry.
Heard.
This is too deep. The place I just went through now was indeed deep. I mean, this is like the this is like the colonial era, where roads are...
Waiting for Perry.
Oh, shut up.
Heard.
Where the thing is, see, you can imagine, I'm using an external Bluetooth. So what happens? You see, the reason why the thing is talking about waiting for Perry, just trying to pay, because it keeps disconnecting because of the bad road. So when you do a heavy...
Waiting for Perry. Heard.
People, I think I will no longer go on the Enugu Expressway. I'll go out now and use the old road. Sorry. If I continue my left there, that's the Enugu Onitsha Expressway, but I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to now use, I've seen enough, I've had enough. I'm going to now use the old road to Enugu, please. So you see the difference. The old road owned by the state, Anambra and Enugu, and the new road. You will see the difference. Yeah. You will see the difference. So this is, yeah, you see? So this one is much better. This is the state road. This is Enugu section. My back is Anambra section. This is good and better. I didn't use that ab initio because I wanted to tell you, show us how that Enugu Onitsha road is, how terrible that is. But you can see this one here, this one is manageable. See, in as much as if we were a nation of men and women who think this road should be double lane, it should be the way it is now. We should have it two, one for incoming and the other one for outgoing traffic. But sadly, one of the things we are not blessed with is futuristic leaders and leaders who want to do things for posterity. We only have leaders, I call them politicians, looters, plutocrats. They are only interested in their pockets. Now, this is the old Onitsha Enugu Road. This is not federal government. You can see this is state government. And you can see work is ongoing. But you see the one we drove before is federal government. And federal government, when we talk about restructuring, people who don't get it, or regional governance, allow Enugu State and Anambra State to do these roads. Let them get the money and do it. But federal government will say they do things and that's it. And federal government would say they want to do road, yet they can't even do anything. They can't do anything, but look at how beautiful and nice the state road is. And all you saw before was a federal government road. It's unbelievable, unbelievable. People, enough said now. On that note, I will say thank you everyone for joining me. Once more, this is Maazi Ezeoke. Today, the 20th of January 2021. I will now head to Enugu and probably we'll see ourselves at the Enugu International Airport, where I will give us more updates. Remain blessed. Bye.